Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple CarPlay not working on iPhone iOS 17. So guys, if you're using any iPhone and having updated version of iOS 17 and facing the issue that Apple CarPlay not working, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings and guys click on general, and guys as you can see you will find here the Apple CarPlay. So guys, first of all you need to check that it is working or not. So guys, if not working, then guys the main reason of iOS update. So guys, simply you need to click on software update, and guys you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, as you can see here I have this update that is 17.2. so guys, when you have update this on your iPhone, then guys your problem will be fixed. And guys, second method is if still not fix your problem, then guys maybe there is any phone error. So guys, simply you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to reset your settings only, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. And guys, third and last step is you need to click on your Apple Store here, and guys after this here you need to select your gadgets, scroll it below, click on more, and guys here you will find the option of CarPlay. So guys, as you can see here, simply you need to click on that, and guys after this simply you need to click on call, and guys you need to call at these two numbers, and guys tell them your problem and they will fix your problem within few seconds. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.